Expected hazards include quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Mill Wax Lake, Garrison, South Long Lake, Upper South Long Lake, Princessa, Shepherd, and Thurston Lake. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Minnesota, Crowley, and South Aitken. Around 10:25 a.m. Central Daylight Time. And Camp Lake.